In this lesson, we will initialize the Next.js project. So I have the terminal open here, and I'm going to create a directory called projects. And I'll cd into that directory. And then I will run the command npx create next app at latest. I'll name the project Markdown app, and I'm going to select the default for all of these options. And it should start installing the dependencies. This might take a few minutes. Alright, so if I type in ls, I should see my Markdown app folder here, and I'll cd into there, and I can see the files that it generated. So I'm going to go ahead and open this in VS Code by typing code dot, and this will open up VS Code, and you can see that it generated these files here. So it's got a home page, layout, some global styles, and all these configurations. I'm going to open up the terminal in here, and I'm going to run npm run dev. And this should start a development server on localhost 3000. So if I click on, or control click on localhost 3000, it should open up the app in your default browser. So you should see this if your development server is running correctly.